Hello guys, welcome back and Natasha is here with you all. So in this video I was trying some fun DIY, and this DIY you can make it easily, some random DIY doing with the best out of best. And yeah, you can try this. It is easy and simple craft DIY. I hope you guys will love this video. And yeah, before I get started, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and yeah, give a big thumbs up to this video. Before wasting time, let's get started.
So for the first DIY, I am using the fish wash bottle, or you can also use same bottle, or you can use elevator bottles are come. So yes, let the cut the upper part, and yeah, as I've been showing you. Now take a marker and mark it by side. The front side you have to cut, and the back side you need to keep it like that to cover up. So just do it as I am doing. So cutting was done, and now I am using a cloth. You can also use any cloth. So I am just taking a blue color cloth. I like the blue color more, so yes, I am using it. And now you can use a fabric glue which you can use for it. So just stick it. You can see how I am sticking. Be careful when you are sticking it, because it gives some space, so you should not keep space all over it. So you can also use a tissue paper, which are signed tissue papers comes, you all know about it, but I'm just trying some home types how work, so I just tried with this. So I'm cutting the extra part. You can see how I'm doing. Just go through my steps, and now this was done, and I'm using a press button. You can also use a press button. Press button is cool for this DIY. So then take a thread and cut it into a long size, and have a needle, pin it into it, and cut this extra part it. And now make a knot on the end, and now keep your press button and just do it, just sew it on it as you can comfortable. So I'm doing like this, so just copy it. Please be careful when you are using a needle, because it's if you will do the careless, then it can be hard to you. And now I'm using a glue and stick a thread, extra thread which come by that. So same as upper one. So yes, this was also done. And I'm using a design button. I have a lot of design button, or just that I'm using it. So stick it. Yay, this is done. So yeah, and now I want to make some design. It looks like a symbol, so I just thought to do the dots on it. So take any you can use acrylic color or a poster color, any color it can use it. So just keep it and keep money. You can use it now. It's very easy to make. Yay. So now do with the second DIY. So second DIY, I'm using a soap box. You can see how it's open. So I having this type of thin sheet of brown color paper. So just wrap with it. Yes, so this was done, and I was just giving some different design toward this box. It looks like a simple, so I didn't cover this side of part. So now I will do some border with paper. So let's do it. So now you have to take a white color of same thin size of paper. I'm using it, so just take it and yeah, keep it properly, and you just check it going or right or wrong. Just you can see how I'm doing. Glue it first, so you will know how to do it. Okay, so just glue it and stick from that, and just do wrapping which we would do. So you can see how I am doing. Just zigzag shape we need to do. Yeah, so that's done. Now I am using a net cotton, and this is a sponge, so you can also use a sponge and a net cotton. I want to make a jewelry box. I didn't have any jewelry box, so earring box especially. So this earring box was done, and I have lots of earring. I just pin it in it, and it looks like simple, and it's amazing. Now it looks like simple, right? So I just wanted to decorate the upper part. So you can take any quilling color of paper. I love the reddish colors, red shades, all of it. So I have the 3 shades: light, the medium, and dark. Just have it and fold it into a 4-part long we have, right? So we need to know same of the soap box size. You can also use any box if you have, so okay, so don't go with my box. You can't find that all over it. So just cut the all quilling size, and just see how you have to keep. Just stick the end of it with the back side, just end you need to stick. So yes, I will show you, so you can see how I am doing. Just end we need to stick, it's not difficult to you. So yeah, so like this I am showing you. So now I will stick it one by one. So open it just, and first have a light color, so stick the end on the back side. If you don't have a quilling paper, you can also use any craft paper and cut it into the thin size, and you can stick that too. But keep in mind that you will stick on the end only, not in the middle part. We need to do something or else. So yeah, same with this also you need to do, guys. So just follow my step how I am doing it. You will find the materials on a description box, so just check my description box. So this is done. Now still it looks simple, yes. So now take a cardboard, any cardboard you can use. I am using a white color cardboard, and make oval shape. So I made it and cut it also. So just make it and have some sketch pen and do some border on it. I love the floral border, so I am doing with a floral. So yellow I use it there, and from orange I am giving a flower shape, and green so always for a leaf. Yes, that's it. Like this you have to do with all. So this is done, and now it still looks so simple. And this card we will need write something, quote or anything, whatever you have to write. So I'm writing beauty is love. Yes, beauty is love for our girls. So yay! So this is done. So yeah. DIY I'm using the soap box as you can see, but this is a different one, and I'm cutting into the 2 parts. I take in the 2 box, it convert into the 4. Like you got the small box, now stick it small box properly, and just copy my step what I do. So guys, I wanted to tell you about this. I tried first time voice over to my video. I'm very nervous this time too, but I did the work I wanted to, and next thing I shooted myself first time as this you can see in the beginning. I'm very nervous about it because I don't know how it's going. So please sorry to all of you. And yeah, I can do the public vlogging, I will won't fear about it, but the thing is that home vlogging it's very difficult for me. I can't stand. I wanted to walk, I wanted to roam around and here there, that's why. So please sorry to all of you. Please like this video because you will learn something from me, DIY, and I know I will bring more DIYs, but give me some time, I need some time. So guys, and I wanted your love, so subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up to this video, and comment any question you have. So please comment me, I will surely reply you, and make my channel more big, like family big होती है तो कैसा अच्छा लगता है ना. So just make like that, it's cool. And my new video is also coming early, so don't worry about it too. So yes, let's see. So for this video, please guys, you will love. So now can see my DIY was totally done of work, and now I'm using quilling paper to decorate this. You can also use lace and all we can use for dress. Just you can use that, or you can use this idea, or you can decorate with a drawing. It's up to you how you want to decorate. So yeah, if you want to copy me, then copy. It's no problem. If you are copying me, that you are learning something from me. So yes, and if you are trying this, so please share with me in my YouTube channel. At least comment to me that I tried your DIY and all. That's it. So this was done. So like this I will do with the quilling this side, and another side I will do with the craft paper. That will be very easy for me to give look of different type sides. I wanted to make a text box, and it's ready. Now fill it with the material whatever you have. So I'm filling with